Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5072033, because of these error code, that is 0x800f0922 or 0x80240069. Now the first step is you can go to Windows settings and then go to Windows update. Over here click on pause over here, and once paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update and set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. So at the very top, somewhere at the top, you will find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back and then if you see the retry option, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, run this command. So these commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, copy the third command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, launch the game and then check. Update your Windows and then check. Still not working. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update. The link is provided in the video description. So on this Microsoft website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5072033, and then click on search. And now type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer over here and check the version. Windows version, in my case, it is version 25H2 in my case. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system over here, scroll down, go to about option. And here you can see 64-bit operating system x64. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version like 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. And then click on download. And over here, click on KB5072033. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually. And then once that is done, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. Open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Go to advanced option over here. Scroll down. Here you can see recovery, click on it, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. This is Microsoft website and the link is provided in the video description. So click on media creation tool, download down option, click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file over here and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.